Welcome to my channel. We're going to talk about the Viofo OP100 ODB2
with a load of 2.5 amps on it. It seems to be working fine. It's supposed to be able to go to 3 amps. Close. That voltage has got a lot higher. Still delivering current, but it's almost taken it up an extra volt. So just read this. It's on 3.3. The voltage on this will be that's 18.9 watts, 5.7 volts. It can definitely deliver 3.3 amps. 3.3 amps. On that's USB-A it's delivering that on. Not really keen on the voltage going up high, but it doesn't regulate very well. Better than going low, I suppose. Bringing it down to 5 volts to see where the current really is, where it's really set to. 5.2 is what its resting current is. Yeah, it's cooled down already. So can we get to an amp? There we go, an amp. I've got an amp at 5.33 volts. Oops, oh, I'm going the wrong way, turned it the wrong way. What the hell? 2 amps at 5.5 volts. Okay. 5.54 or 5.56875. Interesting. Pretty close.